children. Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is Delhi. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the location, climate, history, and culture of Delhi, and important government offices, industries, and transport facilities. Next is places of tourist attraction. So, let's study here. Delhi is one of the largest and the oldest city of India. It was made the capital of India by the British rule in 1911. Earlier, Kolkata was the capital of British India. Delhi, together with certain part of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, form national capital region called Delhi. If we talk about location, Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh. उत्तर प्रदेश कहाँ पे है? ईस्ट में, और आपका हरियाणा और अदर थ्री साइड. दिल्ली इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है, ओल्ड दिल्ली एंड न्यू दिल्ली. जितने भी ऑफिसेज हैं आपके सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के, वो कहाँ लोकेटेड हैं? दिल्ली में. राइट. नेक्स्ट इज क्लाइमेट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट क्लाइमेट, तो जो क्लाइमेट है दिल्ली का, वो एक्सट्रीम काइंड ऑफ क्लाइमेट. मीन्स समर्स आर वेरी हॉट, विंटर्स आर वेरी कोल्ड. हॉट एंड ड्राई विंड्स ब्लो, उसको हम लू कहते हैं. एंड इट जनरली रेन्स हियर इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई एंड अगस्त. नेक्स्ट इज हिस्ट्री की अगर हम बात करें, जो अकॉर्डिंग टू माइथोलॉजी, जो पांडवा किंग थे, दे वर द फर्स्ट टू बिल्ड अ सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली एंड व्हाट दे कॉल इट इंद्रप्रस्थ. एंड मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां later rebuilt it, and what he named it? Shahjahanabad. Mughals built many forts and mosques in Delhi. Later Delhi rebuilt it at the capital of India made, and it was planned by the architect जिसका name था Albert Lutix. Right? Shahjahan was called the great builder. Taj Mahal in Agra and Jama Masjid in Delhi were built by. So here some question has been given. You can do yourself. Next is culture. Here the different people of different religion live here. Different languages spoken over here like Hindi, Urdu, English, and all major Indian festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dashera, Eid, Muharram, Christmas, Easter, these all are sunny. Sari and salwar kameez, they are the common dresses which is worn here, and large number of girls, students and office goers wear modern western clothes. Men wear trousers and shirts over here. Some popular dishes of Delhi includes chole bhature, rajma chawal, kidney beans जिसे हम कहते हैं, and chole kulcha. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस की बात करें, राष्ट्रपति भवन इज लोकेटेड ओवर है, विच इज द रेजिडेंस ऑफ होम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. एंड मुगल गार्डन इज ऑल्सो लोकेटेड ओवर हेयर, विच इज वॉट सिंग. इट इज ओपन फॉर द पब्लिक फॉर अबाउट 1 month in the spring season. Right? Then we have Parliament House, which is a circular building situated near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held over here. Then we have Central Secretariat. Government of India has its own office. Of all the ministers here, it has two blocks, North Block and South Block. जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर का ऑफिस है वो आपका साउथ ब्लॉक में है. एंड ऑफिसेज ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज आर ऑल्सो लोकेटेड इन एम्बेसीज और हाई कमीशन के. Then we have industry. Delhi is an industrial city. There are many small and medium scale industries that are located here. And these industries include what? Textile, leather goods, handicrafts, bicycle, automobile parts, and television. Then we have transport. Delhi has a vast network of road and flyover. A large fleet of CNG buses or auto rickshaw carry people in Delhi. And Delhi has a highly advanced what? Metro rail system, which has made metro rail traveling within the Delhi NCR much easier and faster and comfortable. So Delhi is connected to different parts of India through interstate buses, railways and airways. इसको हम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट कहते हैं. एंड इंदिरा गांधी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इज ऑल्सो सिचुएटेड ओवर है. राइट. ऑफिशियल रेजिडेंट जो है वो आपका 7 लोक कल्याण मार्ग न्यू दिल्ली का लोकेशन. नाउ प्लेसेस ऑफ टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन. सो दिल्ली, it is a very old city and it has many old historical buildings, monuments, parks, tomb and forts over. So if we talk about Red Fort, it is a major landmark of Delhi. ये किसका बना है? आपका रेड स्टोन का. So our Prime Minister hosts the national flag here on the Independence Day. Then we have India Gate. This is a building built by the memory of brave soldier of our country who sacrificed their life in battle. A flame called Amar Jawan Jyoti is lit here at all the times in their memory. Then we have Qutub Minar, another important monument in Delhi. There is an iron pillar beside the Qutub Minar which is not rusted due to. आज भी उस पे जंप नहीं लगा. Right? Then we have Jantar Mantar. It is an observatory located in Delhi built by Raja Jai Singh. Samadhis of some greatest leader of India situated in Delhi. There is a Rajghat, Santival, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vijay Ghat, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Satla of Indira Gandhi and Bean Bhumi of Rajendra. There are many religious places also like we see a Birla Mandir. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Gurudwara Singhra, St. John's Church, Akshardham Temple, Nizamuddin Dargah, Locust Temple. These all are located in Delhi, and it is one of the largest mosques that is located here. We have other tourist attraction in Delhi Museum, Chandni Chowk, Delhi Zoo, Humayun Tomb. These all are the religious attraction that we see in the day. Right now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.